Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this DOOGEE device. First of all, find calendar and tap on it. Then click on this icon at the bottom right corner 2 times and choose Got It. Over here, click on the month above and pick a date by clicking at the chosen one. Then tap on this plus icon over here, select event and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, choose starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can add people, location, set up notifications, click done, and even take notes. When you're done, click save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always delete it though by tapping on it, clicking on the 3 dots at the top right corner and selecting delete. Then confirming your choice by tapping on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!